Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials. Start now. Warm the tape with a hair dryer on medium heat for 20-30 seconds so the adhesive softens. This reduces paint stress. Once warmed, use a plastic card at a shallow angle to lift a corner slowly. Don't pull upward. You will feel the adhesive ease. Make sure to keep the heat moving so the wall doesn't overheat. If the corner won't budge, reheat for another 10-15 seconds and try again. Gentle, controlled motion is key. Once you have a corner lifted, peel slowly along the wall at a 15 to 30 degree angle. This minimizes paint lift. If resistance increases, stop, reheat that section briefly and continue. Use the plastic card as a support under the tape to keep pressure off the paint, sliding it forward as you peel. For sticky residue, dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and rub gently. This dissolves adhesive without aggressive scraping. Make sure to test alcohol on the hidden spot first so you avoid damage. Finish by washing the area with mild soapy water to remove oils, then dry with a clean cloth so you can inspect the surface. If small adhesive patches remain, reapply a little alcohol and rub in circular motions until gone. If paint starts to lift during any step, stop immediately, blot with a damp cloth and avoid scraping. For persistent paint damage, use heat plus gentle pressure to stabilize the edge or consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.